Hello everyone, welcome. That was the chair, not my bottom. Okay, let's go again. Okay, this is the one. Hello. I mean, is we still? It's still kind. Are we even? What is even? I don't even know what year it is. Yeah, because I'm happy to belong. If you feel oh, what a visitor. Excuse me. And either, oh, I was gonna say either you're a perv or you've got small boobs like me. But I won't put that in. It'll get in the outtakes. Hello. This is gonna be so messy, so messy, so messy. Oh, I realise I don't need to use. Oh, okay, yeah. And if that's the same. Do you care? No. I feel something big's coming. Heart attack at this rate. Don't say that though. Touch wood. Or is this wood? What's fucking wood in here? That. Oh, thirsty work. Make sure that you wait for the train to go by. You know? Babbling on about what? I don't know. Sun is in the sky, oh why I don't wanna be anywhere else. In every single hole. Why is that leaf wet? Interesting. You're falling. Keep on falling. Is it too late now to say I need a one dance? I get a lot of comments asking when are you going to do another blah blah blah. Slay. I was full of strawberry. I was blah, I listen. Blah. Darling, I'm confused. That's that. I don't know what I'm saying. That is a right. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense? I don't know. I've got hair on my face and it's driving me crazy. It's driving me crazy. Can't get it off anyway. Perfect. Had to lie down. Wow. The video gets viral. I feel like I am surviving or thriving at the moment. Okay, and it's what you're all here for, so so much to do. J'adore pestle blue. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. Am I gonna have a panic attack every time I drink? Probably. Will I learn? No. Stuck. Eyes up. So yeah, it's coming. Can you? Oh, that would have been vomit. Okay, I won't do that. I love eating, and eating loves me. Go. Damn, sorry I blew you off. I was having lunch with a Microsoft. I can't wait for the weekend to go. I've got Bailey's for £10. in Tesco's instead of £21. Am I going to have a Baileys tonight? Yes. Did I have a rum and coke last night? Yes. Am I okay? Yes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Yeah. Please give this video a like if you liked it, and I can't even remember how I finished my videos. It has been that long. It has been that long. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, button notification on, because and I'll see you in a minute. I think it's like first, isn't it? Yeah. Bye! So drive me away. That'll do. That'll do.